I wish I knew this before I got this. 4 hours. You need to let this thing upright position for 4 hours before you use it. Anyway, let's unbox. Jeez, let's unbox the 10,000 BTU air conditioner, heavyweight, portable AC right here. Oh shoot. All right, so we got some straps right here. We need to cut these straps. Hang on, no, we can pull them out right here. Let me see if I can just pull them out right here. Ow, okay, got it. All right. Then we can take this off right here. So we have the air vent right here. This is the air vent. You know what? I'm gonna cut. We will cut this right here. Okay, cut that. Nice. Okay, so these are the accessory piece. We can put them to the side. Oh, we got the window piece here. Nice. We got shipping packaging. We don't need this for now. Get that out of the way. But here it is, the portable AC, 10,000 BTU, nice. This one looks good, the ZAFRO right there. All right, sweet. All right, it's got the power plug here. Let me take a look at the power plug. Is it 3-prong or 2-prong? That's important to note. The power plug is a 3-prong plug right there. Sweet. Okay, so we can lift this out of this packaging here. Let me see. Ooh, we get the fins right here. Oh, these are, they will open and close. How do you, I think this is automatic. It just opens and closes in the automatic motion. We'll see. All right, take this out right here. Does it have wheels? Ooh, it has wheels. Nice, okay. We don't need that anymore. So we have the vents here. We have the user manual and remote control and batteries. And we have these two here. So these are going to connect to your pipe, the exhaust pipe. And then this one's going to connect to the exhaust pipe too. And then we have a window piece that will connect to your window so you can exhaust the hot air. If you use a portable AC, you must have a window exhaust for the most efficient operation. If not, you're gonna blow the hot air back into your room, and that's no good. So this is a piece that slides up and down, so you can slide it to the length of your window. So once you slide it to the correct length, you can use a little screw to hold it together over here. And the idea is this piece will connect over here and exhaust the hot air out. Then you have your air vent, this, that will connect from there over to here, and this will connect back here, and that's where the exhaust air will come out from the AC. Very simple, compact AC with remote control, you see there? And this one has 10,000 BTU, very portable, oh yeah.